All right, guys, Rich here with the tool swing. We're going to do some tests here. I've got a vise mounted to a receiver hitch mount. We're going to see how long it takes me to take that vise off, set it on the bench, put it back on, and get it set up again. Then we're going to test it against this tool swing, 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 and those two tool swings. I'm going to snap all of them up, put them in the lock position so they're ready to use, and then put them all back down in comparison to how long it'll take me to dismount that and mount it. All right, I'm going to get the camera set up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to take it off, put it back on, and we're just going to use the timer on the video to see how long it takes. I got a ratchet set up, and I'm not going to screw around. I'm going to do it as fast as I can. So, on your mark, get set, go. Let it down. Okay, done. All right, now I'm going to take this one out and get it out of the way so you can see me snapping up all the rest of them. All right, I'm going to start on this end. I'm going to snap this up, crank it solid, go on to this one, that way, and then I'm going to come over here and snap these up. These don't, the crank, I don't even use the cranks on these. They set up solid enough, just these two. I never even crank them solid. So I'm just going to be snapping them up, but the rest I will be cranking down solid. So, here we go. All right, now back down. Done. All right, well, we'll see how long it takes. I'm going to leave the video unedited, and we'll just see what the clock says. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out thetoolswing.com. Leave some comments below. Thanks.